The Curse of Oak Island Season 12 premieres with a new stunning discovery. The much-anticipated 12th season of The Curse of Oak Island has launched, bringing fresh optimism and renewed determination for treasure hunting. The premiere episode sees Rick and Marty Lagina, along with the entire Fellowship of the Dig, returning to Oak Island in search of the elusive Money Pit treasure. After last season's setbacks, most notably a devastating flood in the garden shaft, the team is back with a strategic plan and enhanced technology, determined to uncover the island's secrets. As previously reported on Monsters and Critics, the cast hyped up the season and promised fans discoveries. The arrival of casing suggested big digs and other heavy equipment for the season. Several artifacts could lead to the Money Pit amid the new discovery in the premiere episode. A new shaft discovered. The Curse of Oak Island team discovered a new shaft. The episode began with an intriguing development as the team located a previously unknown shaft. This new shaft has already fueled speculation and excitement, as it could potentially lead directly to the Money Pit, a location central to Oak Island's mystery since the late 1700s. The discovery has renewed the Fellowship's hope, especially as they continue to study and align the island's original shafts with those they uncover today. The team believes they may be close to uncovering Shaft 1, the fabled initial entryway into the Money Pit, which treasure hunters have sought for centuries. This season also introduces a few new faces in the war room, bringing additional expertise and insight to the Fellowship's operations. With fresh perspectives and a greater understanding of Oak Island's complex layout, Rick and Marty's team is more prepared than ever. Using advanced technology for breakthroughs. Using advanced technologies, the team aims to navigate the island's underground labyrinth to find and interpret the signs that have long been buried beneath layers of sediment and mystery. Season 12 of The Curse of Oak Island offers new hope. While the search on Oak Island has been ongoing for years, fans continue to hold on to the hope that this season might finally yield treasure. The premiere's focus on new technology and strategic excavation methods highlights the team's commitment to making significant progress. In an effort to maximize efficiency, the team even considered placing a camera on excavation equipment to get real-time detailed views of their digging efforts. Despite the years of searching, the Oak Island team remains undeterred by setbacks. This season's premiere episode demonstrated their creativity as they adapted their approach, prioritizing careful excavation and thorough exploration of new shafts. With their sights set on the elusive Money Pit, the Fellowship's enthusiasm and optimism have never been stronger. Oak Island's enduring mystery. For more than 2 centuries, Oak Island has been a riddle wrapped in mystery, surrounded by speculation. The small, tree-covered landmass off the coast of Nova Scotia has been the focal point of treasure hunters, historians, and conspiracy theorists alike. Whispers of pirate gold, ancient artifacts, and Templar secrets have tantalized imaginations around the globe. Now, with the highly anticipated Season 12 of The Curse of Oak Island premiering, fans are bracing themselves for what could be the most groundbreaking discovery in the show's history. The Lagina brothers, Rick and Marty, have been steadfast in their pursuit of answers. Over the past 11 seasons, they have overcome countless setbacks, from environmental challenges to equipment malfunctions, always maintaining an unshakable belief that Oak Island holds something extraordinary. While previous seasons have uncovered intriguing clues, 17th-century artifacts, mysterious wooden structures buried deep underground, and tantalizing pieces of gold, Season 12 promises to up the ante in spectacular fashion. A new beginning. Season 12 opens with a bang. As the premiere episode begins, the familiar hum of machinery fills the air. The team has returned to the island after months of preparation, armed with cutting-edge technology and a renewed sense of purpose. This season, they've enlisted the help of advanced ground-penetrating radar, GPR, and underwater drones equipped with high-definition cameras, tools that promise to reveal secrets hidden beneath layers of soil and water. In the first minutes of the episode, viewers are introduced to a new target area, an unexplored section of the swamp. This swamp, often described as unnatural and enigmatic, has been a recurring focal point in past seasons. However, fresh data from the GPR indicates the presence of a large rectangular anomaly very deep below the surface. Could this be the remnants of a ship or perhaps a long-lost structure tied to the island's elusive treasure? The excitement is palpable as the team begins their excavation. Within hours, they unearth something astonishing, a series of intricately carved wooden beams. These beams, carbon dated to the late 1500s, appear to be part of a subterranean structure. Historian Doug Crowell, visibly thrilled, suggests that these beams could be linked to early European explorers. This changes everything, he says, holding up a fragment of the wood. It's possible we're looking at evidence of pre-colonial activity on the island. A stunning find in the Money Pit. Meanwhile, over at the Money Pit, the infamous site where treasure hunters first began digging in 1795, the team is making progress of their own. Using a combination of borehole drilling and sonar imaging, they've identified what appears to be a network of tunnels radiating outward from the central shaft. These tunnels, some of which are lined with stone, suggest a level of engineering far beyond what was previously imagined. As the drill brings up samples from one of the tunnels, the team is stunned to discover fragments of parchment. Upon closer examination, these fragments reveal traces of ink and intricate handwriting. Expert handwriting analyst Dr. Andrea Towers is brought in to examine the samples. Her preliminary analysis suggests the parchment could be part of an ancient manuscript, potentially written in Latin. If confirmed, this find could provide a direct link to the island's mysterious past. Unveiling secrets beneath the ocean. One of the most thrilling moments of the season premiere takes place underwater. With the new underwater drones in operation, the team ventures into Smith's Cove, a site that has yielded numerous discoveries over the years, including coconut fiber, a material not native to the area, and a stone structure believed to be part of a flood tunnel system. This time, however, the drones uncover something truly extraordinary: a massive metallic object embedded in the seabed. The object, initially thought to be a natural formation, turns out to have symmetrical features and ornate engravings. Marine archaeologist Dr. Jennifer Hughes, who joins the team to investigate, suggests that the object could be part of an ancient maritime artifact, possibly linked to a shipwreck. The engravings, which feature symbols resembling those used by the Knights Templar, send shockwaves through the team. If this is what we think it is, says Rick Lagina, it could rewrite history. The human element, stories of perseverance. Beyond the discoveries, the premiere also highlights the human stories that make the Curse of Oak Island so compelling. Rick and Marty Lagina reflect on their journey, sharing heartfelt moments with the rest of the team. Gary Drayton, the metal detection expert known for his unshakable optimism, recalls the moment he first stepped onto Oak Island and felt an unexplainable connection to its history. The camaraderie among the team members is evident as they celebrate each small victory and rally together during setbacks. These personal moments remind viewers that the search for Oak Island's treasure is about more than gold or artifacts. It's about the shared dream of solving a mystery that has endured for centuries. What lies ahead? As the premiere episode draws to a close, a tantalizing teaser for the rest of the season leaves fans on the edge of their seats. From explosive new finds in the swamp to revelations about the mysterious Nolan's Cross, Season 12 is shaping up to be a game-changer. The Lagina brothers and their team are closer than ever to unraveling the secrets of Oak Island. But as always, the island has its own plans. Unexpected setbacks, cryptic clues, and the ever-present question of what if ensure that the journey remains as thrilling as ever. As Season 12 of The Curse of Oak Island unfolds, one thing is certain: the adventure is far from over. With each dig, dive, and discovery, the team inches closer to solving one of history's greatest enigmas, and fans around the world are invited to join them every step of the way.